Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Get ready for the ultimate team crypto token giveaway. This is an airdrop where you can get the USDT plus TTT token in the prize pool, and there's a huge amounts, and the deadline of this airdrop is 4 September 2023. So let's dive into deep and know how can you claim the team token airdrop. So first of all, know about the team token. What is the team token? Team token is a leading of transparent sports revelation blend favoriting freedom cryptocurrency and NFT. Fans have the unique opportunity to own exceptional digital assets known as team token NFT and the team token tokens. So how can you join the team token airdrops? So first of all, we have to know about the what's the price pool of the team token airdrop. So team token airdrops is 1000 USDT plus 5000 TTT tokens, and the deadline of the airdrop is 4 September 2023. Requirement for the earn free airdrops coins. What is the requirement for to earn the free TTT team token airdrop? So here's the step for how can you take a part from the giveaway of team token airdrops. So head over the team token giveaway claim page. Here's the information. This link will be also given on the description on the video, so go on the follow, and after then you have to follow the team token crypto on Twitter and retweet the giveaway campaign. First of all, you have to find the giveaway campaign by the @team token crypto Twitter officials, and then you have to retweet it and join their Discord or Telegram channels. So you can also join as a community. Here you can talk about others members, what's the project and how they are coming with the new updated revolution in the crypto industry. Stay activated and introduce friend to earn extra reward. That's mean as much as you share the airdrops information, then you will get a free chance to increase their good luck for the airdrop. So here's the 1000 USDT plus 500 TTT token awaits lucky participants. So good luck, and this content is not for the financial advice. Investors should take time to research any given product or any depositing or investing their funds. So this video is also not for the financial advice. Take a part on the airdrop given on the video, and then don't forget to subscribe our channel for the latest update about airdrops and crypto industry news. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.